Today we are preparing dosa batter. This dosa batter, for this dosa batter we have taken 4 glasses of store rice, which we get in normal Indian stores. Or also you can use rice, idli, dosa rice if it's available in supermarket. Take 4 glasses of your cup of measurement. We have taken 4 glasses because we make paddu and as well as idli from this dosa rice as well. So it is up to you. For 4 glasses of rice, we have taken 1 glass full of urad dal. You can also add puff rice or poha or sabudana. We have soaked the sabudana overnight, so it should be very soft if you touch them. If we add this, the dosa will be crispy. Now we need to clean it using water, and then we need to soak it for 6 hours. After that we need to grind it using grinder, or else if you have mixer grinder you can also do it from it. I will show you the next part of how we grind them. We are cleaning it using our running water. After 6 hours, we are now grinding it into a batter. We are using Kailash mixture grinder, and it does give us good batter. And also for the consistency, we need to check the water. If it requires water, just add few drops of water, or like say some 10 to 15 ml of water. I will show you the finished product again tomorrow. This is the final product of the batter. After grinding it, we had it for fermentation for overnight process. We did not add any soda. Like if we keep it in a vessel for overnight, right, it will due to fermentation process the batter may rise a bit, so it is advisable to take a bigger vessel so that it won't overflow. Since we had taken 4 glasses of rice, obviously we had more batter, so that's why we have taken suitable vessel for it. We have taken the batter again for dosa for breakfast. Here are the dosas, crispy dosas. Got turned brown color automatically, naturally, since we added poha or puff rice. That's why we got brown color. Thank you. Enjoy.